Hello everybody. As you all know, Hack Data is coming to an end and we're at its much awaited final phase. So, if you could all mute yourselves because I can hear feedbacks. Yeah. Okay. So, with more than, next slide. Yeah. So, with more than 250 participants, 64 teams, 4 judges, and 7 mentors, Hack Data received an overwhelming response, and we'd like to thank each one of you involved in this edition of the hackathon, and we hope you enjoyed the event. Before we announce the winners, I'd like to thank the judges, Mr. Abhinav Mishra, next slide please, Naveen Sabharwal, Mr. Vineet Sinha, and Mohit Janeja, and all the mentors for taking the time out of their busy schedules and joining us this weekend and bringing their wisdom from their years of expertise and experience in the tech world. I'd also like to thank the Career Development Center and the Computer Science Department of SNU for giving us all the support that we needed to make Hack Data a success. And lastly, I'd also like to thank all the teams who participated in Hack Data and filled this weekend with amazing projects and ideas. The pitches were amazing, and I'm sure the judges had a tough time deliberating and choosing the winners. So I'd like to congratulate all of you for making it this far, and I hope you had a memorable experience with us. Now coming to the much awaited part of the program, which is announcing the winners. Yash will take over from here.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is Yash. I'm the treasurer for ACM SNU chapter this year. Hope all the participants have wonderful couple of days and enjoy the journey with us. So, without further ado, let's directly dive into the prizes and the winners. So, first of all, talking about the prizes, we have 3 major prizes. The first, the winner of the hackathon gets a bounty of 25,000 rupees. The second winner gets 15,000, and the second runner-up gets a bounty of 10,000 rupees. Moving on. Yeah. So, moving on. First of all, we have Team Secrecy SH, who bagged the second runner-up prize from the education track, and the name of the project was Sayak. So, a big congratulations to them. Moving on. Yeah. So, second, we have Team Brew, who bagged the runner-up prize from education track, and the name of the project was 11th Hour. Finally, we announced the winner of the hackathon. So, I would like to congratulate Team Code Donors from the healthcare track, and name of the project was Blood Donors, and they are the winner of the hackathon. So, big congratulations to all the teams. And apart from that, I would also like to mention that all the submissions are available on DevFolio, the platform. So I urge everyone to take a look at the hard work all the teams have put in. We have got to say that all the projects were really good and the competition was edge to edge. So again, finally, moving to the next slide. Finally, a shout out to all the sponsors for the event. Thank you for the support in making the event successful. Also, I would like to thank specially to the CDC and the CS department of Shiv Nada University for helping us on each step. Also, this is a call towards attendee. Don't forget to use the links and claim your free attendee licenses from Replit and InterviewCake and VoiceFlow. These are our sponsors. So yeah, I urge you all to take a look at them and grab those swags as yeah. So moving on, yeah. With today's session, we come to an end to this year's Hack Data edition. We would love to host all of you again in the coming year. Till then, keep an eye on the other events we organize, the ACMW and ACM SNU chapters. Once again, thank you all for joining in. That's it from my side.
Yeah, so I'll urge the top 3 teams to say about something about their projects as well, to explain the department what their project was, just a brief about it. So, if someone from Secrecy SH can elaborate on their project.
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely, absolutely. It's a very delightful opportunity for me to bag the second runner-up position at your hackathon Hack Data. I would like to provoke my solution what we the team secrets.hf had made in this particular hackathon. So what we had done is, as in this remote learning, is this in remote learning scenario, the students are not physically students do not have any physical contact with their mentors. So the type of interactive learning which happens during the physical presence has been demolished in this current scenario. So what we had done is we had made the platform where instructor can add particular 3D models which he had taught in his particular lecture, and student can utilize those particular 3D models for learning that particular concept in a better way. So here what a student is doing, a student is getting an interactive platform to learn things in a better way. So with the establishment of this particular 3D model integration in our platform, also we had provided certain key features to enhance this platform in a better way. That particular key features include doubt resolving, as well as creating lectures at a certain different links. So these were the certain features which our platforms involve, and really grateful of you for recognizing us the second runner of this hackathon hack data. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Team CCSH, and congratulations for bagging second runners-up position. I'll now call upon Team Bro, anyone of you, or maybe your team can pitch in yours.
When
Yeah,
you
I'm here.
introduce yourselves, also mention which universities you're from.
Yeah, which institution you are.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Shivam Verma and I'm from Bennett University. So, first of all, I'd like to thank you all because the event was really smooth and it was a great experience. And now moving to my project, what we tried to do with 11th hour is that we tried to create the two types of students that are often found in a university. So the first one are the students who are into academics, like the toppers of all universities who help you cheat in online examination nowadays. And the second category are the type of students who are more into the sports part or into the freelancing part, and they are like doing some internships and all that. So what we have observed is that the students who are into academics are not really able to earn much during the college period, and they are not able to freelance, right? And the students who are into sports are not able to score easily in their academic exams. So we have tried to connect the two bodies, and in our platform a student who is good in academics can upload a course for some price of let's say 100 or 200 rupees, regarding which the course is related to an exam that might be tomorrow or whenever after a week or something like that, and the student of that university can purchase the course. So that's the gist of our idea. There are some other things, but I'll try to keep it short. Yeah, and thank you. That's from my side.
Thank you very much, Team Bro, and congratulations for winning, for being the first runner for in our hackathon. Now, if someone from code donors can also come in.
Hi everyone, good evening. We're code donors and we're from Aligarh Muslim University. And honestly, I don't have words. This wasn't what I expected. We registered last minute. It's truly an honor. I heard about this hackathon back in first year. We thought of participating, but we couldn't. We didn't have any good ideas. And again, last moment registration and everything went so smoothly. Thank you to the organizing team. It's truly an honor. Regarding our project, well, we actually tried to develop a blood bank application. And I've said it so many times now that I literally know it by heart what our application is trying to do. What's different in our application is basically we're trying to save current location of the donors and requesters instead of static locations. What is static location, you may ask? That is the location that a user enters during registration. And there is a possibility that a donor may or may not be there when a request is made. So we wanted it to be real time. We wanted to ensure privacy of data because
Zoa,
most, yeah,
I'll cut you, but can you move closer to mic? I guess there's some issue with your
yeah.
mic.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you? Am I audible?
Yeah, it's way better now.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, our app dealt with privacy issues. Most of the apps on the Play Store are basically when you try to search for a donor, they display all the details from name, blood group, address, mobile number, health, medical history, everything, and that's very vulnerable in today's day and age. Data is being used poorly and in wrong ways, so we wanted to ensure that an app is made where it stores real-time locations, where privacy is maintained, where the donor and the requester can communicate without having to share phone numbers or WhatsApp or email or any sort of like that stuff. And then in the end, make a track between the donor and the requester. It was a small attempt to just reduce the shortage of deaths due to blood loss. And if we can even save one life, then that was the whole aim of the application. So yeah, that's all I have to say.
Yeah,
Johar,
definitely.
you are which place? You are from which university?
I'm from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, Uttar
Okay,
Pradesh.
okay. Winner. And who is the third, second runner-ups? Which university is
Yeah,
that?
this is Team
Rishika?
Secret Secret.
Second.
Second runner.
Code donors from Bennett and
No, Team Bra is
Sec-
from Bennett.
Team Bra
yeah.
from Bennett and Sanskar code donors.
Co-donors are the first one. Yeah.
That's
And
okay.
the
Who is the third one in the
third
competition?
team is Secrecy SH, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, if you can tell which institution you are from.
Yeah, we were from Triple IT Vadodara.
Okay, triple IT. Thank you.
Well, yeah, with that, I'll just ask any of the professors from the CS department to give any feedback or any suggestions or anything you want to talk about for the team, for the winning teams or anything else.
Professor Kaushik, you may say a few words.
Yeah, maybe I'm very happy to see that. Congratulations to all winning teams and also those who have not made it this time. Maybe they should not feel disheartened. We appreciate their efforts. And maybe our institute, I mean, our university students should also come up in in this scene. I mean, it should not be only that you are organizers, that's it. So we want to see you in in these three teams. This is really a great job you people are doing, and keep it up. Thank you.
Dolly or Pooja, if you have any comments to make.
And I'm really impressed with the what you all pull up every year. And this year, I mean, even when we did it online, the participation was good and enthusiasm was also amazing. So really, really proud of you all. Congratulations, and congratulations to the winners.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
Pooja, if you have to say anything.
Yeah, congratulations to all the winning team. And for the other students also, you also need not to get disheartened. You will obviously get many more such opportunities, and maybe you missed this time, but you will surely make any other opportunity. That's for sure. And that's it. Congrats to all once again.
Thank you. Kamal, are you there?
Yes, come inside.
Yes,
Drop
yes.
Very
it.
Thank you,
important
Rajesh sir.
person.
I'm there only.
Yes.
Just a brief message. Congratulations to all the winner and best of luck to other participants who have not secured any of the three top positions.
How many students, by the way, participated from SNU?
So there were two teams in the top 10 as well from SNU.
Who are the students in the top 10?
To the
So
top
there were
three.
freshers, like
Freshers,
two
first
teams
10.
consisting of freshers only. And in total, like we had, I think, 4 or 5 teams from SNU.
I guess there were 5 to 6 teams from SNU.
5 to 6 teams. Okay.
So, what is the reason for not taking interest in participation? Congratulations for being organizing this thing. That's okay. But why the people are not interested in? Because this kind of thing we also see in IIT. They are good organizers, but hardly they will participate in the activities, and that is not a good sign for the university. I'm little disappointed. There should have been some more teams from the university, and please make sure that this kind of culture of coding is developed.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Definitely.
Thank you, all the organizers. Sanskar, Yash, Rishika, Ayush, Ishit. I think you people have put a lot of effort, and definitely a big congratulations to the winners. So keep up the good work. Best of luck. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
for
you.
the rest of the teams, as the professors already told, no need to be disheartened. I believe that Zuha, your team was there in Hackdata last year as well, if I'm not wrong.
No, I don't think so. We might have participated, but we couldn't make it even at that
Right.
time.
So yeah, so I remember Zuha's team was there last year in Hackdata as well. They came to our university, but they didn't make it to the top 10 as well last year. But this time they have secured first rank. So keep trying, keep working on your projects, and maybe you haven't won here, but you might win somewhere else. You have done beautifully well in your project. So all the best in future. I'll ask Rajiv sir to end the closing note.
I have already given the closing remarks. I think it's a phenomenal
Effort.
job from all of you, and a big congratulations to the winners. I hope that from next time we will have a little bit more participation from our own students. And I know, given the current situation, it is not an easy task to organize such a big event in the online mode. But I think that calls for an additional party for all of you. So once we come back to the university, we will celebrate. All right, and your efforts all will be celebrated through a good lunch or a dinner. All right, thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Once again, thanks everyone for joining us.